Can a USB cable really be a game changer? This huaham USB A to C fiber optic cable claims to push the boundaries of what we expect from a simple connection. And honestly, it's got me intrigued. We're talking about a 66-foot cable that promises 10 Gbps speeds, which is pretty wild for such a long run. Usually, when you go this long with USB, you expect a significant drop in performance, but this active optical cable uses some clever tech to convert signals, aiming for zero delay and zero data loss, all while being immune to electromagnetic interference. That's a big deal, especially for professional setups where signal integrity is crucial. What really stands out is the build quality. They've used 24K gold-plated connectors to fight off oxidation, and the zinc alloy housing feels robust, offering better insulation and heat dissipation. Plus, the Kevlar-reinforced fiber optic core sounds like it can take a beating, and they claim it's passed thousands of bend tests. The cable itself is surprisingly slim at just 0.19 inches, making it easy to snake through conduits or tight spaces. Now there's a crucial detail to remember. This cable is unidirectional. You have to connect it from the host end, which is your computer or console, to the device end, which would be your camera, VR headset, or external drive. It's backward compatible, which is good, but it's strictly for data transmission, not video. So if you're looking to extend a display signal, this isn't the solution. But for its intended purpose, the compatibility list is impressive. Logitech cameras, VR devices, industrial systems, data centers, even things like Microsoft Kinect and Intel RealSense. It's designed to handle a wide range of demanding applications where a long, reliable data connection is essential. Imagine setting up a high-resolution webcam or a VR system across a large room without worrying about signal degradation. That's where this cable shines. Overall, the huaham USB A to C fiber optic cable seems like a seriously impressive piece of kit for anyone needing a long-distance, high-speed, and interference-free USB connection. It's not for every USB need, but for those specific scenarios where length and performance are paramount, it's definitely worth a look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.